Shelby, where you going, Shelby? Shelby. No, Shelby, where are you, Shelby? I miss you, Shelby. Who the heck is Shelby? It's good.
That's just because. I think Olivia's enjoying your birthday breakfast.
Hi, Livy. Yeah. Thanks for the wave.
Hi, Livy. Hello. Hello.
Oh, chocolate face close up. Chocolate face close up. Chocolate face close up. Oh.
Whoa.
Olivia. Olivia, give it a chocolate face close up. Chocolate face close up. Meow. Not with those hands, you won't.
Okay, guys, so bye.
Nobody listens when I say don't feed the animal. Nobody listens. Olivia, wait, bye-bye. Livy? Olivia.
Last time.
Livy.
Livy.
Bye-bye.
Livy.
Bye-bye.
Livy, bye-bye.
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 She's like, what do you mean?
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, bye-bye. And that's a birthday chocolate. Oh, up top to the sister.
Yeah. What you looking at?
Yeah.
Right. Go with your... Fight.
Say bye-bye, Livy. And that's a breakfast.